Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum just to clean your floors? Look no further than the Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum Cleaner, a game-changing cleaning tool that's about to make your life a whole lot easier. This incredibly lightweight stick vacuum weighs in at just 4 pounds, making it effortless to maneuver and take with you wherever you need to clean. With its 3-in-1 design and onboard crevice tool, you can customize your cleaning experience to tackle any mess that comes your way. The Eureka Blaze features a powerful 2-amp motor that picks up particles like dust and pollen with ease, and the washable filtration system captures debris and improves air quality, leaving your home feeling fresh and clean. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a total powerhouse. The capture nozzle is especially impressive, picking up larger debris with ease and effectively removing surface dirt and dust from multiple surfaces, leaving your floors looking and feeling refreshed. The swivel steering is also a standout feature, making it easy to navigate around furniture and tight spaces. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, carpets, or tile, the Eureka Blaze is up to the task, and the 18-foot power cord and extra-large dust cup mean you can get the job done without constant interruptions. In real-life use, this vacuum is a total rock star. It's perfect for quick cleanups, deep cleans, and everything in between. So why settle for a cumbersome, heavy vacuum when you can have the lightning-fast, powerful, and lightweight Eureka Blaze Stick Vacuum Cleaner? Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.